whenever you make a change to your index.js or any file inside your source here, you need to rebundle your project again by using the npx webpack. So whenever you make any change here, you need to use the npx webpack to bundle your files again. And I'm going to show you why you should do that. Here, for example, if I remove this and say I changed this, and then if I save and head on over to the browser and refresh, it's gonna display the old message, even though I have changed the message from jQuery is working to I changed this. Therefore, we need to use the npx webpack. So if I use the npx webpack again to bundle the change so that the change takes effect, so I'm gonna run this command again. Now in the browser, if I refresh, you will find that the new message has been displayed here. I changed this. So the new message now is displayed, unlike before. So that means that anytime you change anything in your index or numbers or any file that's inside the source, any JavaScript file that's inside the source, you need to run the npx webpack command. This is very, very important.